In this quick Notion tutorial, I'm going to run you through how to write code in Notion. Now, this can be quite useful if you are an engineer or you have an engineering team and you want to put technical documentation within Notion. You can actually use code blocks or you can actually write inline code, and I'll show you both in this tutorial. Let's start first with the code block. You can see here that I have this HTML code here and it's not really formatted nicely. So let's use the code block feature here in Notion. You can either pull it up by pressing the plus button here and searching for code, and you can see it here, or if you're moving quickly through Notion, you can just press /code, and then you can see here I want to select the code block. It pops up here. Now, Notion offers over 60 different languages, so you can pick them from here. For this one, we're going to use HTML, so I'm just going to leave it as HTML. All I want to do is copy my code over. So let's actually cut it and now paste it within the code block. And you can see now it actually uses highlighting for this syntax. So it's really easy to follow. I can further customize this by going over to the three dots here, and I can click over and select wrap code if I like. And if that's a longer piece of text, it will actually format it. You can also format the code. So if I click this, it will make it nice and neat. And format my HTML for me here. So that's really neat as well. If I do want to copy this code block over, it's really easy. You just click copy here and it's copied to my clipboard and I can paste it wherever I'd like. So that's code blocks in Notion. If I want to do inline text, I'll show you this example to highlight how you can do so. So you can see with Notion, you can actually highlight certain parts of technical documentation here so it stands out for the reader. So you can see the red here is used. The way you do this, and I'll use this example below, is really simple. All you want to do is highlight the words that you want to highlight as code and just click mark as code here, and you can see all of a sudden the reds appeared for this. So I can go through again with code here and select mark as code, enter, do it again, and then actually select the final code word here and highlight it. So it's really that simple to do inline code highlighting as well, and it makes it easy for the reader if they are reading your technical documentations to go through it all. So that's an overview of how to write code in Notion, both code blocks and inline code. If you found this useful, please consider subscribing to the Great Software channel and give this video a like.